Hey everybody, this is Yannick Collins and welcome back to Oz Living. Now we're here at Singapore for the token 249 and joining me here today is Samar Sen. He is the head of APAC for Talos. So Samar, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me. Look forward to our chat.
All right, so just to start, tell us about Talos. Talos, did I get it right?
Talos.
Talos, and how it has evolved since it started.
Sure. So Talos is an institutional grade trading platform. It was initially built for institutions that were interested in trading digital assets, but found that a lot of the tooling was catered to retail. And as more and more institutions came in, they wanted access to the kinds of trading technology that they're used to in traditional finance. So we built our first version of Talos 4 years ago and served mostly the buy side, hedge funds and things like that. But since then, we have evolved the platform to not only offer services and technology for the sell side, but we are also expanding our product suite beyond just trading services to lending and borrowing, to risk management, to settlement and portfolio tools as well.
Yeah, I just want to dig deep into your team as you are mostly composed of with a background of traditional markets. So tell me, how does that impact the way you operate your business?
Yeah, thank you for asking. So most of our staff are people that have built trading systems for the last 20, 30 years in traditional capital markets across all asset classes. So a lot of the trading systems that are used today were built by our engineering teams. We entered digital assets because we knew how to build these trading systems at institutional grade, which means scale, security, and trust. And basically, we came into this asset class because we knew that there was a need and a gap in the market to fulfill these kinds of services.
I love it. And how do you position yourself in this current market condition, its innovative potential, and also your contribution to the maturity of the space?
So yeah, we do believe that we are contributing to the maturity of the space because a lot of people believe that in order for digital assets to proliferate and for the market ecosystem to mature, the institutional money needs to come in. The institutions are not going to come in if they don't believe that the infrastructure and foundational building blocks are there to support them, whether it's trading at scale, whether it's liquidity, whether it's risk management and borrowing, all of these tools that they need. And we believe that our toolkit and suite of services provides one piece of the puzzle, along with what other service providers offer, to professionalizing and institutionalizing this market.
And what's your consideration for the biggest contribution for the sustainability of the space? What are you doing in terms of the sustainability aspect?
So when you say sustainability, I mean, the way I interpret it is, digital asset markets are very nascent, and as you've seen in the past, we have some crashes. This is normal for a new technology and a new asset class that's evolving. And as the ecosystem matures over time, of course, it's going to have some growing pains and some rough bumps along the way. But every time the ecosystem emerges stronger because companies like ours double down on our long-term view of digital assets. And we continue to improve our technology that allows institutions to engage and trade with digital assets in a sustainable way.
I love it. And you're now here at Token 249. Tell us, what potential do you see for the ASEAN market and your future plans in the Asian region?
Thank you for asking. The energy has been great here at Token 2049. It's great to see everyone back. We are very excited about APAC. When I joined about a year ago, we already had clients in APAC in various countries across Asia. And as we've ramped up our team here on the ground, we have a full stack of account managers, sales folks, engineers, and support staff. And we are continuing to see traction from buy-side institutions who are trying to engage and trade digital assets, but most importantly, across the regions from Singapore to Hong Kong to Sydney, Australia, to Korea, Japan, we are seeing a lot of service providers. So that means banks and brokers and fintech apps that are all trying to enable digital asset services for their end customers. And we have tools for them to help them do that. And we're seeing a lot of interest from that segment too, which is really exciting.
Well, Samar, I love your energy. I love your passion. Thank you so much for joining me today. And we look forward to watching your progress.
Thank you so much for having me. Love the chat too.